Hey everyone, if your Behance profile is not showing in 2026, like it's not loading, not visible to others, or your projects are missing, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance profile not showing step by step. First, open Behance and check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop your profile from loading properly. Next, log out of your account and log back in. This refreshes your session and fixes temporary glitches. Now, check your profile privacy settings. If your profile is set to private, others won't be able to see it. After that, make sure your projects are actually published. Draft projects will not appear on your profile. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes cause display issues. Now try opening your profile in another browser or device. This helps identify browser-related problems. After that, check your Adobe account sync with Behance. Login or sync issues can hide your profile. Finally, disable VPN or browser extensions like ad blockers. These can block profile visibility. So, yeah, that's how you fix Behance profile not showing in 2026. Follow each step carefully and your profile should be visible again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Behance troubleshooting tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!